3-on-2. Gives himself a chance. Takes a shot. He scores! Bill, that's a goaltender's nightmare right there.
It just should have had it. That's exactly what it was.
Offensive opportunity, 3-on-2. Nice quick snap. Had it down low. Now they take it back up. He shoots. He scores! Through center ice to Wade. What a shot! Scores! And we're back even on that
goal. Move over, shooters. There's a new guy in town. This guy is supposed to be a playmaker, not a sniper.
St. Louis's goal is going to tie this game up. So got to get rid of that puck in that end. That's a major league collision. Chance! Goaltender may wish he could have stopped that, but I'm not sure even in front of it would have been enough.
He launched a laser. I mean, it was like a BB coming at him.
He doesn't let them rip very often, but when he does, they are dangerous.
The Predators on that rush found an up. Score!
Well, to me, this really qualifies as a surprise. A playmaker turned sniper and looking good in the process.